Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully. We are down here at the Miami Boat Show, and we are checking in on Raymarine's YachtSense digital switching. Like I said, we've got an install coming up on a Backcove 34.0, but I wanted to show you guys kind of what this is, not just from the press release video we shared with you guys earlier, but so what we've got is the ability on our MFDs, as you can see right here, you can have total control of all of your lights, your drives, your climate control, security, bilge pumps. So you have all of that functionality that also transitions over here to your iPad. Now all of that's going to be coming from your iPad. You can also go to your Alexa smart home, and you also have your boat monitoring, and that is all done through the YachtSense link. That's got cellular connectivity in there. So with the cellular connectivity, that allows us to have some remote access to our boat and see what's going on, turn things on and off. And how can we turn things on and off? That's where this comes in, the YachtSense switching. Now, depending on the modules, we're going to have low power, high power, signal, things like that. We're going to go through all that stuff more in depth as we get into this Backcove install. But we're down here, I want to show you guys what we've got going on. It's another cool project we have going on here at Navtronics. You want to know more about digital switching and YachtSense? Hit us up or leave a comment down below at navtronics.com. Love to talk to you guys. Peace.